will take just only 5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes. And I'm very happy that this guy is speaking English. Hi guys, welcome to my blog channel. Actually, today I didn't go to gym. So I couldn't make any vlog whole day. I was just taking a rest because I was very tired. That day I did so much exercise. I was feeling pain. So I couldn't go to gym because I didn't have that energy and power to go. Now it's evening time. So Akshat was forcing me to go to market to bring what is called I forgot the name of soya chap. Yeah, Akshat wants to eat soya chap. So I decided to go to market to buy. Market is little far from my house. So I'm going to buy. I thought let's talk to you. Let's make a small vlog. So reaching the market, I will talk to you guys. Stay connected. Thank you guys.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
So guys, I have come to the market and here I came across a stall where a lot of t-shirts are available and gym outfits are available. So since I go to gym, I thought I must go for one gym outfit. I wanted one upper, the flexible upper. I'm going to show you. I have selected this. Here you go. You can see this. It is, I think maybe XL or large. I don't know. Okay, ये XL में भैया ये XL है large है क्या? XL ही लग रहा है. Yeah, XL है. So I've got this XL piece and it's quite stretchable. You know, very stretchable. इसको stretch करके भैया दिखाना जरा. So the piece is very, yes, very very stretchable. So that's why I'm gonna choose this. Okay, and as far as the price of this piece is concerned, first he asked me to give 450 rupees. After that I bargained, so finally for 350 he is ready. So I'm going to buy this piece for 350 rupees. First I asked him to give for 300 rupees, but he did not agree. So finally I had to increase 50 rupees. So for 350 I'm going to buy this product. So after buying this, I'll take that stuff for Akshat. Again I forgot the name of the thing. That was soya chap. Okay, all the time I forget. I'll buy soya chap and after that I'll go back to my home, guys. So stay connected. Thank you guys. So guys, finally I have come to the stall of soya chap. So I can show you the soya chap stall right here. This is the soya chap stall. So भैया full कितने का है?
Full 120 sir.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to take full and he's saying full for 120 rupees. So is there any discount, sir, or 120 is final?
Rumali roti is free.
Two, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Full fry chop.
Okay, so nice of you. So a very first time I'm going to get 2 Rumali rotis free with soya chap. Earlier I used to come to the same shop.
Festival.
Okay, due to Christmas festival. Okay, so please make one full masala soya chap.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So guys, I have ordered full masala soya chap and this guy said that he would give me 2 Rumali rotis absolutely free with soya chap just because this is the Christmas day. Yes sir?
Yes, 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 sir.
So thank you very much. So I'm waiting out here. It will take some time. I think it will take half an hour.
Yes, no, sir. It will take just only 5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes. And I'm very happy that this guy is speaking English. Wherever I go, I come across such people who speak in English. I'm quite happy. Okay sir, I'm waiting out here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Fine guys. So that day I showed you a video when I was talking to a vegetable seller. He was speaking in English. Today I came across this guy who is selling soya chap. He is speaking in English. So by this guy I can tell you that there are so many people who know English, but they don't practice every day. They don't have any partner to speak to. So that's why they are not fluent, but they know. So after getting it packed, I'll go back to my home and then I'll give it to Akshat. Akshat will eat it and he will be happy. So stay connected guys. Thank you. So guys, my soya chap is ready and this guy is going to give me this particular piece for tasting. I'm going to taste it. Thank you. Amazing, mind blowing, perfect, sir. Lovely.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So please pack it and please give me my 2 Rumali rotis. Okay, fine. So the small piece was given to me for checking and it is really good. He has prepared it very well. Now I'm going to get it packed. After that I'll go back to my home. This is the small market. This is such a market where in the evening you can see a lot of people come here, they flock here, they enjoy their street food. It could be pav bhaji, egg roll, soya chap, pizza, water balls, all the street food you can get here. Or I have shot some footage of this outlet, so it will be quite famous very soon. I am going to upload on YouTube. Okay, so how much should I pay?
120 rupees.
120. So I have to pay 120. He has given me the full. This is the soya chap, masala soya chap, as well as 2 Rumali rotis. That is complimentary today, just because of Christmas Day. Thank you very much. I'm going to pay you, and see you at home, guys.
And wish you very, very happy.
And Merry Christmas.
days.
Merry Christmas. Yeah.
And wish you very, very happy New Year, all of you.
Thank you, thank you. So he's wishing Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to all of my viewers. So thank you. Thank you. See you guys. See you. So guys, I was heading towards my house. Suddenly I got a call from my wife. She said that I have to bring some chicken momos for her. So actually I'm not gonna eat either momos or that soya chap just because I go to gym every day. I have to take exercise. So I'm like totally my target is to lose my fat as soon as possible. So now only they are going to eat this, and for me there would be salad and some oats for the dinner. So I have got it packed. So here the chicken momos are available with me. कितना देना भाई? 40. So here in Noida for chicken momos you have to pay 40 rupees. 40 rupees. I don't know the price of such things in your city. Anyways, so thank you guys. Let's go home. Then I will talk to you guys. Stay connected. Thank you. So guys, finally I have come back to my home, and here you can see I have served soya chap to Akshat. So Akshat, first of all, tell me, why did you think of soya chap only?
Because I saw a person eating soya chop on YouTube, so I also felt like eating.
Okay, then you said to me to bring. Good one. Okay, eat. Okay, fine. So now the time is to say bye to the viewers. Yeah, let me come to you. Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching this video. Every day I try to make at least a blog for my viewers so that I can be connected and I can talk to you in English and I can show you the importance of English, the situational English. Okay Akshat, say bye to the viewers.
Bye, and remember to subscribe and press the bell icon and like this video.
Okay.
And tell in the comments, do you like these vlogs or not?
Okay, thank you guys. See you in another episode. Thank you guys.